Hello guys, I am Manjot Singh from Lens Passions Photography. In my last video you watched how to create realistic reflection. In this video you can watch how you can replace sky in easy way. All pictures have not perfect skies. If your pictures don't, then there are ways to replace this. In this video you will watch how to use the BlendIF tool in Photoshop to replace a sky quickly and easily. Normally it is a very good option to replace the blue sky with this option. Let's first see how sky can replace with BlendIF. So I am opening a landscape image with the blue sky. So open it layer menu in layer style box. Go to the blending options. You can see here default is a gray and change the drop down menu from gray to blue. If you want to select use a color on the top layer, use the top slider. As you slide the slider, you will see that the blue sky will be replaced by our clouds. Now we need to find that selection, so hold down Alt in Windows and Option in the Mac and drag on the left of the triangle. You will see that it now splits and enable use to refine our blending. Move it as far as you can before the clouds start to disappear. After refining the selection, click OK. You can see with sky, other blue parts of the image are also removed because it is a destructive way to remove background. Normally we create a mask to reveal the hidden parts because when you add a layer mask, you can hide or reveal all of the layer or by the selecting mask on a selection. Later you will paint on the mask to hide portion of layer and revealing the layers beneath. But by BlendIF, we are not hide the image, actually we remove the part of the image in destructive way. So masking is not working here, but we have a solution of this. I am creating a duplicate layer by Ctrl+J in Windows and Command+J in Mac and shifting this layer above the modified layer. Creating a mask, then inverting it by using Ctrl+I in Windows and Command+I in Mac. I selected black because it hides all. Now I am painting on black mask. Make sure your foreground color is opposite to the color of the mask. If you are painting white over the black mask, that part would be black to its original form. So press the D key to active foreground. Press S key to toggle black to white and paint on unwanted removed areas. The color of bridge were also removed because of we removed the blue channel. After painting over these parts, the image restores again, checking other parts and painting over. After restoring it, I opening new sky background and placing it below the layer that was modified with BlendIF and transforming it by using Ctrl+T in Windows and Command+T in Mac. So sky was replaced successfully.